Hello friends, today we start a chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variable, exercise 3.7, question number 5. This is an important question for your exam. Please see here. Please subscribe this video channels, like, comment and share this video. This is an important question for your exam. First, we read the question. In a triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 3 times angle B is equal to 2 times angle A plus B. Find the three angles. Well, first you remember the property of triangle. Sum of all angles of triangle is equal to 180. Okay. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Okay. क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कहा है, यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 3 टाइम एंगल बी, अदरवाइज एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम एंगल ए प्लस बी. इस इंफॉर्मेशन से हमें दो इक्वेशन बनाने हैं. एक 3 वेरिएबल को हमें 2 वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट करना है. और 2 वेरिएबल में हम कौन से वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे? ए और बी में. सी की वैल्यू गिवन है. एंगल सी की जगह एक बार हम लेंगे 3 टाइम्स एंगल बी, तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन मिलेगा. एंगल सी की जगह एक दूसरी बार हम लेंगे 2 टाइम एंगल ए प्लस बी, तो हमें सेकंड इक्वेशन मिलेगा. ओके, तो प्लीज सी हियर. इन ए ट्रायंगल एबीसी एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 180. सब्स्टिट्यूट सी इज इक्वल टू 3 टाइम एंगल बी. सी इज इक्वल टू 3 टाइम एंगल बी. देयरफॉर एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी, but c is equal to 3 टाइम एंगल बी as it is formed in this equation. Therefore this equation in 3 variable convert into the 2 variables. Variable is a and b. Okay. Therefore angle a plus 3 angle b plus 3 time angle b, 1 time angle b plus 3 time angle b, that means 4 time angle b is equal to 180. That is an equation number 1. Okay. Again same to same equation, angle a plus angle b plus angle c is equal to 180. But in next term c is equal to 2 time angle a plus b. c की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2 time angle a plus b. Angle a and angle b as it is formed, but c is equal to 2 time angle a plus b. 2 time angle a plus angle b is equal to 180. Okay. Here this 4 term into write down into a bracket. That angle a plus angle b, that is 2 time, and angle a plus angle b, that is 1 time. 2 time plus 1 time, that means angle 3 time angle a plus angle b. Therefore 3 time angle a plus angle b is equal to 180 divided by 3. Therefore angle a plus angle b is equal to 180 divided by 3. Therefore angle a plus angle b is equal to 60 divided by 180 divided by 3, that is equal to 60. That is an equation number 2. So 3 variable convert into the 2 variable. Angle a plus angle 4b is 180, that is equation 1, and angle a plus angle b, that is equal to 60, that is equation number 2. Subtracting both equations, angle a plus 4 time angle b is equal to 180, it is an equation 1, and angle a plus angle b is equal to 60, that is an equation number 2. Both signs are similar, and a variable are similar, and coefficient are similar, and subtracting them, minus minus minus, both angle a will be cut. 4 time angle b minus angle b, 4 time angle b minus angle b, that is 3 time angle b. 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120. Therefore angle b is equal to 120 by 3. Therefore angle b is equal to 40. Therefore angle b is equal to 40. Substitute angle b is equal to 40 in equation number 2. Angle a plus angle b is equal to 60. Put angle b is equal to 40. Therefore angle a, angle b is equal to 40 is equal to 60. Therefore angle a 60 minus angle 40. Therefore angle a is equal to 20. Okay, angle is 20, angle B is 60. By angle sum property to find the angle C. Otherwise, substitute value C is equal to 3 times angle B. C is equal to 3 times angle B. 3 angle B, that means 40. 3 into 40. Therefore, angle C is equal to 120. Therefore, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 20, angle B is equal to 40, and angle C is equal to 120. And sum of all three angles is equal to 1. Okay. Thank you.